Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to add or remove news and interests in Windows 10. First method is right-click taskbar, click News and Interests, click Turn Off. Second method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey current user. Click and expand software. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows. Click and expand current version. Click Feeds. Open Shell Feeds taskbar view mode. Change value data to 2, click OK and exit Registry editor. Right-click taskbar, click Task Manager. Select Windows Explorer, click Restart. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.